Ready to ditch those hefty Ethereum fees and dive into lightning-fast token swaps? Let's unlock the power of Quickswap on Polygon. First, you'll need a crypto wallet that supports Polygon. MetaMask is a popular choice if you haven't already. Download and install it, then configure it to connect to the Polygon network. You can easily find instructions online by searching MetaMask Polygon setup. Next, head over to Quickswap Exchange in your browser. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually in the top right corner, and click it. MetaMask will prompt you to authorize the connection. Now, let's swap some tokens. You'll see two drop-down menus. Choose the token you want to trade from the top menu. That's the token you're selling. Then, select the token you want to receive from the bottom menu. Popular pairs include Matic, the native Polygon token, paired with stable coins like USDC or USDT. Enter the amount of the token you're selling. Quickswap will automatically estimate the amount you'll receive. Double-check everything, and then click the swap button. MetaMask will pop up with a transaction confirmation window. Review the details, especially the gas fees, which should be significantly lower than on Ethereum. Click Confirm to execute the trade. Quickswap will display a notification confirming your successful swap. You can view the transaction details on the Polygon Scan Block Explorer. Want to earn rewards? Explore the liquidity pools. Providing liquidity involves depositing equal values of two tokens into a pool, enabling others to swap them. You earn a portion of the trading fees, but remember, there is a risk of impermanent loss. Finally, let's talk about slippage and fees. In the Quickswap settings, you can adjust your slippage tolerance. This is the percentage difference you're willing to accept between the estimated price and the final price. You can also adjust gas fees, but be careful setting them to low, might cause your transaction to get stuck. Always prioritize security. Double-check the website URL. Avoid clicking suspicious links, and never share your private keys or seed phrase. And that's it. You're now equipped to start swapping tokens on Quickswap. Happy trading!